Hello everyone. See third stanza. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. What would happen? What's the use of our life if we don't have time when we pass the woods to see the squirrels? Where to see where the squirrels hide their nuts in grass. This is a natural phenomena, natural thing. How do birds, animals behave? How do they spend their time, etc. In the third stanza, he says that we have no time to wander. Wander means what? Going from one place to another place. Wander through the woods. Woods means what here? Forest, we can say. And watch the squirrels that hide their nuts in the grass. Very simply, he has explained the importance of leisure or spending our spare time to get relief from stress. See fourth stanza. No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. Here beauty. Beauty means what? No time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. Here in fourth stanza, he compares the stream of water to the glittering night sky. Means he compares the streams of water to the glittering night sky as the water sparkles. Sparkles means what? It shines when the sun shines on it. Means he compares daytime. See, daytime when water sparkles, water shines. He compares to it to the glittering night sky. Very beautifully he explained here. That means we have no time to look at streams which sparkle and twinkle in broad daylight and appear to be full of stars like the sky set night. Like the sky set night. See fifth stanza. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. See in the fifth stanza, what does he do? We have no time to watch when a beautiful young girl dances or wait for her lips to complete the smile. Here, beauty's glance. Here, beauty means what? Beautiful young girl. That means here nature. And if we don't have her, have to see or watch her feet when she dances. Means beautiful comparison is done between the nature's beauty with young girl's smile, and how when a young girl dances, just as young girl dances, as the poet compares to it to the beauties of nature. So people should have time to watch the nature's beauty. Then sixth stanza, see. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich their smile, her eyes began. Here again he continues, mainly. Nature to a beauty. Here compares nature to a beauty who is forever present around us. She dances, smiles for us, but we have no time to stop and look at her because we lead busy life. A poor life this, if full of care. Care means what here? Don't misunderstand with care. Normally we use taking care. Here care means worries, tension, stress. We have no time to stand and stare. Stand and stare means to look and appreciate the nature's beauty. The poet here ends the poem by saying that life is pretty worthless if we are always consumed by stress and have no time to acknowledge and be thankful for nature's beauty. The poet here repeats that our life is a poor life if it is full of cares and worries, with no time to appreciate and enjoy the beauty of nature. Write down the paraphrase in your notebook and learn, read the poem, listen explanation and do your work.